Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening system properties because restore points are managed there. This gets straight to the configuration. Right-click Start or press Windows plus X, choose Run, then type System. CPL and press Enter. Once System Properties opens, switch to the System Protection tab. Make sure you run as an administrator if prompted, because read and write access is required. This step shows which drives have protection enabled and provides the Create and Configure options, so you know where restore points live. Once you're on the System Protection tab, click the System Restore button to launch the wizard. This displays existing restore points and lets you inspect them. Make sure you click Show More Restore Points if the list seems short, because Windows sometimes hides older entries. Examine the date, time, and description for each point. These tell you what changed and which drive is affected, so you pick a point that predates the problem. If nothing appears, protection may be off for that drive. Toggle settings accordingly. You now select the restore point that best predates your issue, click Next, and review affected programs to understand changes. Make sure to save open work. When you confirm and click Finish, the system schedules a restart to apply the restore. This completes automatically. If the restore fails, boot into safe mode and retry. Also verify there's enough disk space and that system protection is enabled on the target drive. This troubleshooting tip resolves most common failures and ensures a
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.